So people, I have some things I'm gonna share with you guys. So boy, Jaja, Ivany and Dawg, they on a live together, people. Me even go tell you know what they want to talk about. Me just that alone supposed to sell off that video. Yeah. Ivany and Dawg, they on live together, and I no cuss them a cuss. That's all me need to say. See, me I go share that with Uno. Also, the story when I share with Uno from I think day before yesterday with RT and the youth named Malabre sitting like that, the fat youth from Canada. People, me see two of them on live yesterday. Me share that with Uno this morning. Me see the two of them on live a while ago, and also Malabre do a video. I'm gonna share that video there with Uno. When me reach to that, me go to my opinion. Me never go tell you what I talk about. See, also we have Cheese and Momo can rush RT boss wicked. Boy, people, me don't know if you believe when it come to Cheese, RT boss, Miss Blinga, Momo, and who else? Yeah, them me don't know what to say when it come to them. Them confusing bad. You see me? But me I go share that with Uno. See, we also have K and all my people, cause K at this up this youth here, the one we just go over what the ticks in another. Yeah, K row him in the wickedest way, because me can't believe say people when have no status and I really have nothing like myself here. I go try to disrespect and bring down somebody that has things or have things. You see me I say? And has been doing things for a long time. You can't have a problem with them. You know what, people, me are gonna make on hear what K have to say about him, because K deal with him wicked. We also have the Fab and we have the Lion Man, and then break up, and the Lion Man event, me people. Him event. Me hope say him not take back this girl here in his life, you know, because them not really ready for a relationship yet. You see me, I say them not really ready for it, because relationship are going to have its ups and downs, you know. You see me? But how much you want to be with that person. I mean, I feel like say none of them ready for a relationship right now. So tell me one thing, my people. We have these things, and maybe I go, you know what I mean, put in something else. You know what I mean? As we go along, if there is anything else to put in. So we could just kick it off, you know.
Oh, truth it be, you favor me, cause me say when I see Jayden back where you stab out nastiness, me say Jesus save the person that practice that's something that when him grape. Me never grape or pineapple, but them a practice something. Me say when I see them, me say, I don't know, me a work. I love crying. Let's say I love crying. Yeah. I can't believe it. Yes. I will if I little something I look at thing and shenanigans Thursday. Then what okay, let me tell you something. Yeah, girl when I like it, I mean I want disrespect you. Yeah? Yeah, girl when I like, I mean I want to talk the truth something them boy. Yeah? You are one girl when we really and truly sit down and take time out to check for. Wait there, me never put one juice in. Wait there! The juice is supposed to be soft. Okay, yeah, girl, when I take time out for really like, I see you do something, I mean I like it. It's when it comes to my sister, when you're Tikki, with the anklet, we can't leave from out of our vicinity. More you got easy for my sister. You show my sister. Care. Care we're not friend for Care and taxi still around. Yeah, come and show my sister. Playpen, my sister grown. Yeah, come and sing national anthem to my sister. And she not even know if you're a local one. No? Tell me the truth now, King. Did you really have to go in on my sister like that? Couldn't you stand at the doorway? Why didn't you stand at the doorway? I'll go outside and have neighbors calling to you. True is only immigration alone calling to me. Okay, I really like you. And I show a passport and him only up. Okay, you come out from my sister, you know. You come out from my sister, you know, okay. And you know, me say, okay, me and get right now look like. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I don't care what nobody wants to say. I come and show my sister house. Show my sister house and my sister in a shelter. You too damn about that. Move your blood. Move your blood. I want class you for Tikki. Move your blood finger and go in. What a cussing. I felt every bit of it. I did. Tikki. Yeah. Don't do that. Then what are we, Rosealee, I said, for show my accomplishment. Come in, because we are going to like, we are come to World Dog, she, I don't think you escape it. Yeah. We are come to World Dog, she. What are we, Rosealee, said, for show my accomplishment. Rosealee said, I work at stages. I mean, I'm not for sure. Rosealee, everything with me did earn at stages, and I give to man. We don't know for customers saying, everything when I ever earn at stages, I give to man. That's why Bonnie, Trevor, Juki, Max, none of them can walk and say stages, give me this and stages, give me that. I give to man. M-A-N. You see, just like how you are taking the gift them and give to Jakes. Oh, you're walking in my footsteps, baby girl. You idolize me. You idolize my Rosealee. Yeah, every single thing me give to man. M-A-D-M-A-O-M. Rosealee gonna suck your mama, I don't know about the spelling you know, Oh, M something another. Man, that same thing we're taking our body. Me give to man, say next time you cuss me, just say she remember say you give the whole of your acting to man. Me bill a theater and give to man. You understand me? Man, me give them. Rosealee make me talk about independently now. Because I don't know you're not talking. We talk about independent. When you say independently, no. O-D-E-M, no. No, mommy, I'm just spelling this man in that working. Chris Brown. No. But the whole of worries of Rosealee. Come like you like when I talk to you. Make World Dog go and get an hype on the internet because he might look a comeback. And that's why World Dog run you. Then make him better land for you, Rosealee.
Alright, my people. So, the youth they were K a cuss. The youth they were K a cuss. The man K in a cuss with people. You know, say the youth they still suck finger. The youth they still suck finger. How can you cuss with a big one and you still suck finger, boy? Eh? You still suck damn finger. People in man still suck finger, you know? K should never argue with that man. K should never argue with that boy. That boy still suck finger, my people. He still suck finger. That's all me I'm gonna say. Me can't say nothing more. That boy still suck finger. But me I'm gonna make you hear what K have to say. Once you reach certain age in your life, if you suck finger, you need to, you naturally are gonna stop because you turn big woman or a big man. Him still suck finger, so what that say about him? He's still a little boy. He's still a little picnic. Come on. People, we could get back into this video.
I have nothing but those You come you're in a little living condition, coming like a cemetery, dark and dusty. Sometimes I wonder if you're not gonna bed and not only prayer name ashes to ashes and dust to dust. You and Jake are sleeping at home. At home, me and Jake are sleeping, you know, because I'm alone, lay down so low and asleep. You are your start life bed. You are your start life bed, and your bed foot them and you're in need them in a competition to see who can knock her. And you really want to come talk about me, Rosealee. Yeah. Me not ask no question, my baby. You can't size up or you can't match up. You cannot match nor size up. As big as you be, you could have never be a background for me. Me not ask you, baby girl. And you crease them one grease. And you alone and walk with leftover dirt. Remember, you don't lift up your belly, them and scrub, and you don't scrub between your back, them, you know. Remember, you don't do all of them subject to your body. Remember, dash water upon you. You have two little slaves, Baba and Shanta. You understand me? Them eat when you bathe and enjoy when you're nasty. Eh? That's why your little son tell the same don't like you. Mommy, I eat. And the little boy still me eat you sometime. Mommy, you're disgusting to your birth. You're disgusting to your birth and you want to talk to me. So all you did, Baba, you love mommy, you're forced to pick them little boy eat you. When you see little people can develop sense of hatred, you know how hard it is. Because he's supposed to lick and run around the world and don't want to know where I'm going to look for the next Power Ranger, Superman or Batman or until in that prison. Yeah, he can't take Robin Hood. Yeah, and you pick me and tell you how much him eat you. You pick the 80 man, 80 daughter, 80 man. Rosealee, you're hated. She put tattoo over the birthmark on her hand. I bet you the window, the needle broke. Best to turn on the invite. I never turn it off, she with the mama blood finger you come from a program about turn on invite. Like me did lock up invite. Me know offer lock up invite batty man. Eh? Me no offer like have invite. You tell me about turn and invite. Me? How can I mix up this shit and put me in and know Jesus? Me no offer turn up invite and turn it on. Shayla, I didn't love you though. I don't know why I love you. I know him a dirty man, you know. It said friends only. Really? I don't know about that, my baby. Shay, we're gonna chat World Dawg this morning. I'm glad you're there. Shay, not turn off. You're too bloodshot. I'm gonna see everybody here so I can't see you. How about that batty boy? A batty boy. See there? Shay, if you send the invite, you send the invite. Fish. If you send the invite, you send the invite. Come and see everybody else there, so. Me a chat now anybody. I want you to chat World Dawg with me like your bestie. Then come here now. What are we World Dawg a pitch panel, Nicki Minaj? Me tell you this is a comeback World Dawg a look. Yeah, cause blame them, you cause blame them. Me dey on my next page. Which next page there? After me know how much page they have. She me not even read for turn page. Yeah, they might talk about big me tell you say World Dawg look the court money. That's what they do. Always prove me right. Always. One thing them can't say. One thing them can't say me I come at your life and then come and see na them future. Them future not right, you know. And then you may have good dark vision. Yeah. Of course, because when you make World Dawg believe say him a God and you say these are the stuff that the people have used. World Dawg isn't the only one like that, you know. All the TikTokers them do it. All of them use the emotions to stay on top. Them always play with you know. Blame them could have never said nothing for earth work. I hope you don't say anything. Blame them could have never said nothing for earth. World Dawg is just a batty boy. You never know. So him not can come back for the app because the app never gone away. Him not come back for the app. Him gonna show the app say him are the biggest thief. Why you need nails? For crab your man in him back. Remember say me not cook for boy, me not make dumpling your man. Me not time and tribe. That is you. You are look ring. Remember man white, you and put you up and dress like figurine. Baby girl, me know you. The boy now got hotter than me in the house. The two of we get steam and burn together in the kitchen. So you come at him about why me need nails. Me need nails to crab your man in him back. Me need nails to do what you now do to your man. Your man love how my finger them sexy and he want to suck my toe. What you say now? Where you going on, man? Yeah. Me not understand, so come back for the app.
Alright, so the same thing me hear Blam them a say, like Rosealee owe this alone yeah, and that's why him a do what him do and whatever. Well, there's nothing them can say for me believe what them a say Rosealee a go on so far. The reason why Rosealee a go on so, Blam them been troubling him, Blam them disrespect him woman and him can respond back to Blam them. You see me I say there's nothing them can say boy I this and that a reason. No, the man a respond to Blam them because Blam them disrespect him woman. You understand? As far as when it come to the address leaking and the mother picture showing, well, anything goes when the war are gone. You see me I said did Rosealee went too far and show Blam them woman. No, Blam them mother. Blam them mother was not hiding, so nothing wrong with that. But Rosealee address that different. You understand? Because his whole family live there. But guess what? You know what I mean? Everything goes when it come to war. So let me know one thing with people. We'll watch some more.
But Blam them don't do him shit. Rosealee worse than Blam them. I'm telling you that every day. At least you can recite where Blam them. I'm gonna say you can know Blam them is nobody's friend. But when you sit down with Rosealee and Rosealee deceive you, find out your business and run come tell the internet. I saw Rosealee have nothing for offer to the internet. Number one, Rosealee talk same woman rich and a fight over app. Rosealee your mother dead too early. She should have dead when you're big now. Cause you lack love. Your mother died too early, Rosealee. You come up all up Blam them to say your woman a Florida mattress and she a whore. She a whore, the argument done. The argument done. Can't believe say Blam them make you use your mouth and frighten him. Miss Bean same as the king of the app. And she is the king of Guyanese's house. Because she shaped like it. She shape like it. Everybody can know say, you see everybody can know say Rosealee is the prime example of a bad mind child. You know a child? We see everybody get recognition and because he's not getting any, he interrupt the family. Him interrupt every single thing in order for focus behind Rosealee. Rosealee is a batik fish, as some people say. Enough of them boy you take girl. Instead of Miss Bean, she have a right to this other man because she just take woman first time, you know. Miss Bean. So he have a right to get himself a woman when we really not have to pay mine. Because me don't know how him want feel where Bean a feel. Me don't know. It's true. You talk about Blam them this your woman. Now you say Uno, you're gonna tell you something about Uno on the app. Nobody will ever force me to like anything dirty. Nobody. You see, you are never going to bring an individual on the app and force me to like them. You are never going to do that. Either me can't add shade, me can't find shade for other. I cannot share so comment the invite turn off. You have to add share. Man, you make the girl feel so me no want add her, you know. And no fun no like Shane and that, you know. No fun no look content. No fun no one sit down and cause no fun no come from a program with one straight name and no have no own account. Wanna put up on a screen recording account, wanna put up people business. No fun no Edda don't piss me off, Edda. Do not piss me off. Oh. You depend add share. I guess you say me a chat World Dog and she a World Dog a friend. I can't even talk too loud on the party. Don't tell me add nobody. When you got add Shane in your account, literally. Sure. I mean, you make my friend feel like me no want add that. Add Shane. Every top me add Shane. And the only thing you can spell Edda. I want to see the comment because I want if Edda say no time out, you know. I want if Edda say no time out. Or a finger upon her lip. So right now I feel like I want him have a burning sensation. See the shade say she not see me. How when the mama blood finger this head come and say to me now? Very some folks stop it. Joe. Yo, what's up with your fingernails? I want to shoot them in your bottom. In your bottom, I want to shoot them. I want more finger for reach you. What do you say about that? Bring down. Then the boy just asked me again, hey, I can't take them dirty people again. Oh, show me not follow that picture. Then she me for I can follow all of your page them shade. You're coming like Martin, I see why I can't agree. You're coming like Martin, you're full of page and I cannot read. Auntie Daphne! Oh man, get back to World Dog she. You see? This is what I always tell the internet. I mean, I always talk about this. I know I have our favorites. You understand me? Nothing is wrong with people having their favorites on the net. Because this is a worldwide web. You get what I mean? Some people are going to love you, and people are going to love she, and people are going to love him and hate them. If you understand what I mean. Alright now. You see, this is what World Dog always do. For your own financial gain. You rather depress people. Especially the gang where you have we call X. As some know everybody in a X gang are dons. Everybody in a X gang are dons. Everybody, literally. You understand me? As some know everybody in a X gang are dons. Because you want to come back after you fall off and your gang couldn't keep your hand. You want to come back. Don't. Talk truth. And in order to bring out your talent. Bring out your gift. Some of you know how people always say you're a comedian. He's a batty fish. You understand me? Me not understand how people always say you're a comedian. Bring out your gift. Every time you come on the app and nobody not talk about you, you come with mix up. You're worse than one big fish on the app when named Shebby. You're worse than a big mermaid, big old so-called mermaid on the app when named Shebby. You're worse than she. For sure, I never see a big old boy yet. Like World Dog will love mix up. I never see this yet. You're not gonna do any more plays. Remember you stop spend money from play put out. You like it on CD and YouTube. Don't come talk about y'all not doing any more plays. You like it on CDs and YouTube. You ain't spending shit.
But after you say me and you go plan relationship, are you me here and this down the whole Jamaica for woman? So I don't really understand.
No, I true, me see you go post key, me get mad. Come say this now go right way, so come just twist your pan done. Come just twist your pan done.
Well, alright, then it's squat.
Hey, one thing me have to tell you know. You see when you don't hear them social media personality are in things with each other more and to the left them alone and not pick no side. And that me I tell you no, cause look for Ivany and Roll Dawg. Ooh, either them right mind. Who could I ever think these two would be live? I talk about pretending relationship like the Lion Man and Fabi. Because people see I pretend them, I pretend, you know. But ooh, would I think say boy, both of them would have on live and talk to each other. You see me? People would have say if them online together, I must cuss them across one another. Because Ivany and Roll Dawg cussing reach to different levels. I look on them now. That's why I tell you now, take everything you want to see on social media and here as entertainment. Like watch some more.
What sense? So we there back again. So people there back again.
Alright, no toxic thing. Alright, let's just see a chat. Look more, yeah. Alright.
Yeah. So we there back again. So but me I tell you now, when I see them boy I come on so and spliffing at their mouth. Are you jumping out the dark car? I know him, I feel mama. In your mama from left to right. And when him come a road, see me? Selector say, some of the boy when you damn pussy. Bust a blank. See me? Bang! See mama your side I'm in a party. You can't cover. What on there? So mama have a Benz. And you meet mama tonight. And tomorrow you drive the Benz come link me. I'm gonna show you something. One boy did up a foot last day leader of our club. And me say, him and the woman catching an argument and the woman just snap a blood clot underpants on the ground full of shit. Plam! And the woman hold the shit underpants, that's evidence, and get every blood clot thing from him. With the shit plat out. Me tell you with some of the boy, you love woman do things for you too much and go like on a blood clot hot. I want to take off on the underpants full of blood clot shit. It's full of shit. And on the hottest thing. Let me tell you something. Let me tell you what on there? 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 Let me tell you something. It's nap time. So we're gonna go take a nap for real. Come here, come entertain now. I try me wake up late. Let me show you something. Hear him. Father Rush. Hold on, Father Rush. Hear him, Father Rush. No, I'm just go over mama yard dog and mama just rate off a young youth and them thing there. See mama in her ear just a shop here. With the wig. I see on the boy face last night what a young boy can name pussy. You know I told them and them you know. Watch and them do it ear. See I shot them slug in their ear just a shop where they do ear now. Can you know a big one they do ear have a nice car them sitting there. Watch big one them slug in their shop. Boss said the mayor say you do it too. Mona, still on a weave here. What a young boy can name pussy. Mr. The boy they about the pussy last night to say me have to get the boy the car. See him over on the ends of my friend them. Yeah man, me and mama man and you know mama say she a carry me out. Then mama in her ear just a shop. Yeah man, the way the boy name me pussy last night me have to carry him out go get something for eat. And my young boy that but you not come tell the chat say. You not tell the people them say. You not go tell the people them say. And me name out mama. That's why I tell you say, you see like all my green card say, student, you need jump, you say 5,000 for green card, you need to start put Nyamatan pan them blood clot green card. How did you get this eat? How did you get this green card eat? I saw blood clot Trump need to start though, eat. But then again,
y'all waste the money. The money they will spend on hotel, y'all waste the money. You could have there some and I buy some, at least buy some for the horse. They say y'all waste the money. Get vexed, drive off. Almost pushed me down. I want to know bag of people on the roadside that laugh off of me. Me tell you something now. So me a see no youth. Want that time me get disrespect in the public and bro, me not chat about them things in the bro. Me love it, I know it now. But now so me a see youth. I want to know dog. No much time money Bumbo Clout father left on phone. When Bumbo Clout with me wanna hurt me youth. You have father left on Bumbo Clout phone and come talk about no know father truth. I mean no know father. And I laugh bro. You see a father will come to me for Bumbo Clout when even know if I know it. I come talk about Bumbo Clout jayden by one head he wagon to me. Boy I go suck your mother boy. Boy, even know if I know it, and I come talk about you, you can't buy this to me. Boy, go suck your mother, boy. When I use her, that make you know it. Why you never go to your daughter for that? So me know it on a planet. Boy, go suck on your mother, branding. Hold on now. You, and you with your mother, your family, where you know, go suck out to no mother youth. That make you know. Yeah, hey, make how much money I even want to fix up in your place. Hold on. With my father? Yeah. But they father now?
Yeah, that's how I say no money.
Oh. I'm gonna give a fuck who I'm going to screen recording and talk about whatever they want to talk about, bro. Me I see what me I see.
If I one thing me know, this a girl ya, I go mad your blood clot. If I one thing me know, Fabi, I go mad your ass. That's all me know. If you not left that girl there, I go find somebody who appreciate you. That girl ya, I go mad you. You see me, I say, how much time this a girl disrespect you? And you take her back? No man. She must obey your blood clot or tie you. Your blood clot. No man. People, wanna tell me what they think about them relationship because this time them cuss and gone them different ways and then you see them come back. Wanna think say Fabi want him? Or Fabi want a girl? Cause the other day I see Fabi on the live with one of the girl them we are fighting. And Fabi a blush and a go on away, you know, more than when she dey run him, you know. And people are say Fabi rate King Donia more than she love this man. Boy, me G, me not lie. You give your heart to the wrong woman to blood clot. That's all we can say. People, don't tell me what they think in the comment.
Me I see what me I see. You see it. Me I see what me I see youth. Me I see what me I see. For the me not give a fuck if she not diss me. Me not give a fuck. Me I see what me brother. Me I see what me what uno now see. Me I see what uno now see. Of course, she not for this up on the life. She dissed me straight and I'm a face brawling. She dissed me straight and I'm a face brawling. You see it? She dissed me straight and I'm a face brawling. You see it? And in the public, make people laugh off of me. Drive off car, man drop on ground. You didn't even stop to look at my bum buckle like drive off. Youth. Let me tell you all that. Let me tell you. Can I make it up? You see me hurt, right? Can I make it up? Why always have to be money with Uno? When we not try, when we want to make up, why have to be money? can you do my hair? Do it here. Notice when I really they around me, they wear panic them often, you know. When I really they around me, you know, they wear panic them often, you know. Let me chat. Let me bomb Clout chat. Don't tell me something stop. One letter around me, when I wear panic often. So why is the blood clot to not see me so? I don't want blood clot wig. Why as you not see me so, I don't want wig? Me there the party, when I come in our bandit. Jayden, can I pay for my wig? Pay for which wig? As me tell you, mama asked me 2 times. And I said, no. For that she vex. I'm saying, no, I'm not coming home from sleep with you. I have my bumper Clout house right here. And you can save that money and buy something for yourself. Even if that. People in my shoot for me youth. On the bumper Clout people in my shoot for me youth. On the top one of them bumper Clout inbox youth. Uno girl, we over bumper Clout eso. Uno big or long time so good woman. Mika, let me tell you this from my heart. Mika, let me tell you this from my heart. You and Queen, go suck out to the mother brawling. Me don't know my mother not telling her. Go suck out to the mother brawling. Mika, and bumper Clout and Queen, go suck out to the mother brawling. And a word like me come here talking up. And a word like me come here talking up. Peter Gay don't know who me are talking up. Them two so good girl. Bro, I'm gonna tell you something. Me I tell you now. Wanna broke that girl that too bad too. You see it. Wanna broke that girl that too bad. For the first day, me too. For the first day, I'm gonna go DR. You know. You know, I'm buy my own things them in my house. You know, I'm buy all of my own things them in my house. I'm gonna go DR. Me I say, you know what I'm saying? Nah, me that girl buy nothing. Me can't make that girl buy nothing for me, you know. I don't want a relationship like that. So I can't make that girl buy nothing for me, you know. I swear. Me not gonna make that girl buy nothing for me, because if suppose she get God now, what would I live in the house if we didn't make she buy everything? What would I live in the house now? I just want would I live in the house? The house where the echo. The house will shine like TJ top. Or just that chill. Suppose me say me want to take back everything when me get a girl now. Suppose that when you walk with the microwave, me say, give me back my chair. Suppose when you walk with the microwave, me say, give me back that video we buy. Give me back that bumper that Brazilian here there. Give me back that Fendi slippers there. Give me back that clothes what me buy. How would you do that? You do have nothing. That Tory work. That purse.
So people, we are going to move on to the next channel. We'll tell them what they think about this situation, because all they hear this youth here talk, enough man I go through them situation there, you know. People might say, him and Fabi, you know what I mean, I just run a little thing from people, you know what I mean, this thing what them are doing real or whatever, them know that. You see me I say, but when I say, a real thing, you know, enough man go through them situation. Enough man take up woman where them love more than themselves, and them approve to that woman every day. I try to convince her, say, yo, be this type of person because I love you and I will give you anything you want as long as I have it. You understand? And the woman still move a certain type of way. But if she get with her next man who she love, she do anything. You surprise the things them what she do for that man, and how she humble, and she don't even want nothing from that man. You see me I say? So if you ever in life buck up on a person like that, you want them in a relationship, please save yourself the heartache and the pain and find somebody else or stay by yourself, because some of the time you feel like say you want a relationship to be complete. If you're by yourself, you find say you're more happier. Me know you want that one blanket there for in at the bed with you some of the time, but if you can't find somebody who for ease your mind and for make you comfortable and every day in at this cussing or you know what I mean, whatever them are going with where you know like, move on. Leave that person, make them find for them somebody and you go find for you somebody. That's all me can say. Make me know one thing, people.
What does own mean? What does own mean? I'm never forget it. Thanks to COVID, my work like slave. Work like a slave in this blood. 3 job. One time I pin them no know me because I not come on me yard. Big put that lick out but Tikki. You not come and find come do none of that more than man and stuff them kind of black short. I could have take that way they out. I could have got there with 2 boys in the game. But you me know say man a blood failure. No boy never tell me say me and them a do 50-15 and a bus. Me do it my bad self. So I could have got there with this a dealer, drug dealer, this a dealer, all of the blood dealer them. I'ma choose not to. Me go work through blood. I'ma pity them not see me. You know me I work with COVID when me have to do? When me reach at my door, me have to strip off all of my clothes and Paris have to carry one towel come give me. I'ma go straight in our bathroom go bed before me can see me or touch my pitney them. Move that. You couldn't make me feel bad so I go back to Jamaica. Jamaica they need to see me after 18 years. You know how much Thanksgiving my miss. You know how much Christmas my blood miss. Me have left from work. Control that present on that tree. I make Paris wake up and see it. I beg somebody in our house video risk. Cause guess what? I double that we are get. Or we can't live near 40 double money on Christmas there. I may have to come home and hide from work and come make for Thanksgiving. I may have to stay 1 hour and tell the ladies that me I take my break and fly come back down on my yard. Just see my pitney feel like me sit down around one table with her. A whole on come lick out me do my time in America. So you see me take 1, 2, 3 years as a freedom writer and a freedom doer. You think foreign a easy thing. Remember say a body you no lick out and cocky you no suck for make a living. Girl like me work, enough girl over your work, no blood. So you see while we are ball for the freedom. Thank God me do me Tikki me tell you something. A 17 patient died me in my hand. 17 me will never forget them. 17 people on me. Me watch them till they when they wall me have to wipe them off and put on them 90 if people come for them body. Me do me time. What me supposed to walk up if me want walk up. And I'm not even God Jamaica go live. America stressful and depressful. Me tell you something. Me down me yard me just reach home yesterday. Me want left and go back to Jamaica now. Because me not Kingston name for ball out and Paris name for ball out for go for no Clout juice in me. In your boring and lonely. If me decide for God Jamaica, London or in blood me supposed to do it. You no come here and you do no time of foreign. Some man all you do a Gucci bag, Louis Vuitton and in a black party. Me do one of them there but me walk. Me block. Me never have nobody a give me nothing now. And big up my 4 husband Clout them. When me go say 3 or 4 I'm a married one and he work out after me left. But I want thing me can tell you, the boy them pay bills, Vavi pay bills, Shemar pay bills, and the next one never have to pay none. Kind of me have me money. But here what me I say, me never take away when I come help me with bills. So me alright. When they see me I walk for buy my blood house, them say me take care of bills. Buy your blood house. So here what? Member say no man not have to stay with me. Cause member say me free like my passport. Member say me free like my passport. So you see anytime me give a boy an opportunity, him down blood and him get up and do for me and him left. Bumba well, him never feel me. Him feel, cause I can't tell you something. A boy that love, for know say married a blood like me. And him a come clad foreign to gold spoon. Cause him not go come a foreign, come lay down on nobody couch. Him not for come a foreign, come drive nobody but car. And him not for eat no girl food. And no auntie not for put him up. And no cousin not for put him up. Me have everything, a red carpet me put down. So anybody want me let it, them get a nice wife with things. So you see if a boy come here and feel like he might feel me, he might feel Clout self. Cause if you don't want the red carpet, somebody else will get it. Me Clout asks you. Remember saying me need boy. A boy Clout need me. So when you know I talk about foreigner, Clout woman me married, listen to me. The boy up me good. And the boy them a treat me good. Green card Clout run. I want to know. Green card have to run. Now my man. When I know when I start, I done, you know. I done check. Family are coming downstairs, no cameras. Downstairs, me there in my blood clot house. Downstairs, me there in my kitchen. So me have me a spice of a same fridge, Tikki. Me no waste no blood clot time in this. Where is my glasses? Where's my cups? You're crazy? You're crazy in a blood clot. Remember, so me no waste no time. Remember, me never did go be a fuck out. Remember, so no boy can't enemy me no more blood clot. Looking at me yard. Looking at me yard. Everybody successful. My Benz. My brother BMW, and my friend blood clot Benz. Remember we not DB a blood clot. Remember some never have to carry Kingston to not play a blood clot pen. Remember some have a whole swing song in here by himself. You're crazy Tikki come here. Crazy Tikki come here. I'm in my backyard Tikki. Damn blood clot size up. Some Benz there. Some Benz there. Move your blood clot, make a guy front. Remember I'm mad? I am back. Hi. Yes, I'm back. Take a look at this. Look at my house. Look at my house. Hi, how are you? You good? Alright. Thank you, darling. Yeah. The man think me mad. I'm going up the steps. You're crazy. You're crazy. Wanna know a cuss girl? Cuss girl and an ambition. Wanna can't cuss me? Oh? Somebody say in the comment, rap. Move your blood clots. Juice. Remember say I want to at least thing me do. Remember say I done this here boy sister a while ago. That was good. And the kitchen is kitchening. Oh, guys, we change the paint. Wanna like it? Yeah. Living room are the same. Hold on. We don't change nothing in the living room. Cause nobody not sit down in there. Yeah. Kingston on the wall, a film house forever. Yeah. Alright, come. We'll go back upstairs. I did a family wall. All my family's on the picture, so my picture then drop down. We have to go do it back. Ooh. I'm tired. Murder. And Paris garbage. And our room still remain the same. Move your blood clot. Move your dirty blood clot, Tikki. And this is my room. Yeah. Remember, we not live DB life, no way. Remember my work. Remember, so me have all of this. Murder, me sit down. Cause track and field, me go do.
Hey, people, sometimes I have to laugh when I see some things on social media, you know. You know, say social media are the only place I see some people come have a name where no have nothing at all in their life. a social media load some people where them not own nothing, them not live no life, them no nothing at all. A social media them come get fi have a little say so. Alright. Take away social media and put K and the youth where my cuss in front of each other. Maybe K wouldn't even say hello to this youth here if I never social media. You know, maybe this youth here would have called K Miss and I bow down to K. Me not say nobody if you bow down to vanity or anything like that. But you don't understand what I mean. If it was over social media, this youth here would have know himself and have more respect for this woman here where work so hard and achieve things in her life. Social media make people we don't have no class, no nothing at all. Me not put down nobody, but me just show you say social media make some people just like eggs up. You understand? So make me know one thing with people. We are gonna watch some more.
A while ago. Come now, man. Come now, blood clot, man. Come now, man. The person who asked me make me how much. Me all enough for fuck your husband. Come. A long time. I'm gonna run outside. Jesus. We can't get hypertension. You're crazy. Oh yeah. Better milk your boss up more. Anytime you have an accomplishment in life, you just say rap, rap, rap. Move on the blood clots. Anytime the girl them say you can't do it, and you know you do it. Rap, rap, rap. Move your blood clot, Tikki. Tikki, I can't run out the door barefoot and come back in my house. And a hypertension. Me no know. Anything I make me drop down or that in my head, Jamila. Me not have to know no blood clot words. Look how much things me get out of life. And I did dance. So suppose me did bright. Eh? If me done so, me own too much, get too much things out of life. Suppose me did bright. Guys, gonna flood this with orange. With the orange out there. Mumbai, so like somebody call ambulance. For me, murder. Suppose me did blood clot bright. You're crazy. You're crazy. When you told enough I love trouble people. Tikki, you could have cost me and none of one. All you know talk about married this and married that. And the same thing, blood clot, then I come a foreign come do. So me could have really come stop telling him reach a foreign for come stop foot down the place. You have to learn America for yourself. You understand? Flood that okay. Members, everybody in their time for learn it for themselves. Listen to me, me tell you this, you know. If a boy blood clot stay or go, you know really have nothing to do with me. Remember me reach where me and go already. True or false? So if you come a foreign and you see foreign and want go down out foreign, are your business that? You don't notice me? Once a boy blood clot start fuck up, me leaving. Me not have no time to sit. I am not a sitter. I'm a runner. Ah? So if a boy come a foreign and left me, me not have nothing for blood clot lose. Remember say them have something named prenup. Remember when me say I do, me sign up for things them. I'm a runner, I'm a truck star. One cock in a work, me get another. What the fuck do you know? Me say I'm a runner, I'm a truck star. One cock in a work, me get another. Me know if to spin and bounce and boom on it rather. Cause me not have to stay with nobody and them brother. Blood clot. Very nice. Kingston Ghana live with him father. I'm a cocomelon free like a brother. Blood clot. This sweet and nice. But my clot everything I mash up. Murder. Me too free a while ago. I free them when me talk about the ancestors. Them not like it. The pussy them not like some free. Hold on. Everything crash. Murder to blood clot. Hold on. Guys, commercial break. Play one song. Do do do. Yeah. Do do do. The commercial, dude.
Let's wait.
Yeah,
Oh,
at the
keep
market,
money,
man.
yeah.
So me stay over here, so I'm a little zone. Can't take the crowd.
That's true. The crowd are ready too.
Yeah, me I drop the pitney them off the school.
Why, bro, boy,
Every
it's too much for the be there right now. It's too much, too
boy,
much. You know,
your
see,
friend,
Tasha K, I get out did the interview.
me no know what I'm doing. You know, say my PM way. You know, say
I pay
PM,
my
my
PM
PM.
way. You have to allow him, you know, because that's a PM way to society. I'm gonna do that.
Nah look.
Me nah look
I
either.
know me I wait for
A
a
beer
court
line
paper.
tail. So and then him just sit down and with the mouth full of lie. After little boy come talk. Listen now, me can't understand this. Cause all the little boy hear this big man attack, how much lie, and he make go to one police, and he make go to one police.
Listen, he was the last piece of the puzzle. But at the end of the day, me know say the boy not lie, so I always I can call him
You
back.
know, say the boy not lie either.
Yeah. But if
But
I could
but
go
but
see,
but
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 you
Spice
know
get
what
people
fuck
to
up
come
though?
fabricate story. Me say I
You know
can't
what
do
fuck
it.
up though, cheese? I true it not easy as a victim to come out in a you have one bag of people a bash him and he never ready for talk, you
Right,
know. Remember say me not gonna lie, me kinda force him to talk still, you know,
right.
cause I'm never ready for talk.
Yeah,
But
cause the boy the
after he
been
come
saying not
out,
ready for talk about it for true, remember?
yeah, and it's a lot of backlash and shit that you don't want to deal with. The boy, but at the same time,
Ah
you need to
boy.
go sue the boy before you try come sue me. I know paperwork don't lick my hand
What
yet.
kind of paperwork? Well, we're not take that little intimidation
No,
there for.
I have a liar. I have a liar. First of all, RT have to pay because someone have to put the paperwork in our hand.
Right.
It's a real paperwork. Anybody can file a paperwork. Cheese right now, me can't go to court and say me I sue you because you call by name, you know. A
Yeah.
court we have to go in, you know. So a court we
To
have
the
to go in and
judge
I'm
make
Alright, so people, this RT situation, seeing because as me say, me take everything on social media as entertainment, but when me see RT go put up posts over Hollywood and Lock and all them something there, me I say okay then, well this gone to a different level. Or on a feel like say it's a new level of shenanigans, so people believe it, or a real thing and they might take it further, you know. So when I say I don't feel like say yo, I just clout him a look, and you know what I mean, this is just another way to get clout. Tell me what you think, because this been going on for a while, and this youth, yeah, remember a youth come out on Spice Live and him a talk some things say RT was doing this and doing that, right? So if you look on it from an outside perspective, you go say, no man, something a go on here so, because if nobody never did a come out and say nothing, you could have some doubt in your mind, or you know what I mean, yeah, say no sir, nothing no go so. But when somebody come out and boldly say this and that and ray, you have to look on things different, because there's somebody saying such and such and ray. You know what I mean? So let me know what you think. I watch some more.
dying for him to take me to court. The way when me have said the video of the boy I talk about it and the recording to my liar. My liar said don't waste him money upon this. We can go in and represent myself. It's a waste of time.
Exactly. Just like how me gonna represent myself for Dan and the judge
My
show her out
liar
of
look
court.
for me. My liar's a big prosecutor. That's why when my boss my gun me get off. Me not stupid. And the man look for me and tell me, sir, do not waste his time. Anybody can take out the paperwork. Oh no, you haven't summons me. First of all, Spice live next door to me. In the county next door to me. The county where I'm up on the paperwork, I don't live there. The county where I'm up on Spice don't live there. So I don't know what this man is doing.
Me too.
So you have to pay for a
Me
private
wanna stay
investigator.
relevant. Me
When him
wanna know
see me
what me coulda
and put the
do.
paperwork in my hand until I could go down to the courthouse and respond if I want to respond. No, do your work, RT Diddy. You need to go and get the paperwork, summons them, pay for the summons for deliver the paperwork to it. You fucking idiot. All you're doing is going around looking for clout and I pay off
Cloud.
everybody.
All cloud. It's all cloud, Momo. It's
They
all
send me over
cloud.
one place, one part, and me hear him a call me name, but me not relevant. Why you keep on a call me name, Batty man? It hurting you. How could you sue somebody and every minute you call up them name Bumble?
Exactly.
Your
But
lawyer would
talking
have tell
about
you.
sue. How am I going to sue people and bring down everybody who am I try
But right
sue?
now the man broke. RT don't have no network. I'm looking follow them. You know, sister tax time.
So what kind of network him do you have before?
So you know, sister tax time. You know,
What
sister
kind of network
paper.
him do you have before?
What when him take out when him make the follower them take out the PP loan them. Him like a call follower them. You know, sister tax time him have to put in the paperwork when everybody start get them return. You know, see him be about him reading gone back up to $1,500. I don't know who I pay for that.
I look for you.
You know, say RT broke and blood clot hungry. When my lawyer look for me and tell me, say, listen, don't waste your money on this. Go in and talk for yourself. You know how much things we're having on my phone for the diddler? You know how much things we're having on my phone for the diddler? Never once I've ever come out and threatened nobody life on social media because me an idiot. Idiot boy. But what him need for do Bumbleclad. Him need for deliver the paper though. Just deliver the papers. Anybody can take out paper. Tomorrow me can go once me know your name and say cheese whatever.
Yeah.
Then you want sue Goat Throat Records. I'm not the sole owner on that, you fuckhead. All of my LLCs have one of my kids' name. You cannot sue me. You cannot sue the company. I'm a smart bitch RT. You slow your fuck. Mr. The man
You know who
slow.
tell them things. You know say I have some people just tell them things and then watch ya.
Right now when
Remember all them did a fight and I go and never want to give me the paper for the little boy.
Gucci shirt and Gucci hat for ever. The same little one Gucci shirt and Gucci hat. Better you go Walmart and pick up a pack of
dirty looking beard beside that kid though.
When me see when me just see the clip, I mean I watch that. Me just swallow Tasha K. When me see the clip of the dirty man, me over there look and I say, look how you make Jamaican people look stupid.
Bad.
Look how the man looks stupid. Foxy Brown, you did a whole interview of defaming somebody with hearsay.
Right. A different people career.
The same thing you trying to sue Spice for, you just went and did. And Spice have the actual witness. So make it make sense.
And that me I said, the go like a Spice tell the woman, we never did that talk about this before Spice.
It born you the other day, the way the man not no shame. Every life, if him see me para him, I block him on everything. I blocked you on TikTok. You block me over here. You just unblock me now.
I block him everywhere.
No, him just unblock me now, because me not black. You're going to see my shit and cry. I want him to know that his hobby is flourishing. Your hobby is flourishing, sir. Your hobby are flourish. Me feel good. Me a glow. Me excited for reach 40. Remember, say me supposed to dead from 2023. I know your hobby can reach. Me tell you, say if you kill Spice for how much years now, y'all a show full blood clot could Spice over here, so and me and cheese in that one corner over there, so. My life is flourishing. Yo.
You can't hold me down. You can't do nothing for hold me. I have to hold my kids so far. Today the last I suppose. Today the last of the trial with me and the man. And I go hear me go boom up that to no blood clot. I did tell you no. I did tell you no. I want come out and make you know say. You see from God is with me. Man cannot be against me. Who is man? Man is that man does to me.
That's why I Jesus, I'm tell you some more time you see me fall back in on me and God alone. For now me I'm a pity them, me not look. Me not look. These motherfucker lives are unhappy. These people lives are fucking unhappy.
Real
is this place
unhappy boy? Real
unhappy boy? Unhappy. Boy rich, you wish you did blood clot rich. Me say when me see the man, all other day me see my
rich and comfortable, so if me ever blood clot have even quarter away blood clot in 27 have me happy. Nobody not see me, I be a post my post. Be a post my post and hurt people feelings. Cause people want to get where me is. I just the truth. Them nah.
Hey, about a year now, I hear and had this thing you go on, you know. So, boy, look like say outfit, like the sewing outfit start and we start. Boy, me don't know me people. that this thing I feel like I just waste of time because here more say a liar said this and said that and you know what I mean. I don't know what you think about this thing, people. I'm confused. Only make me know what you think in the comment section.
Look, 2 for 7. I get that right there in the front.
Him have a try
Yeah,
see a trending.
the other day, me see my scream out him short for one life to blood clot. And when me look, me I say, wait, look like Didla need all breast to blood clot. Cause remember, say me's a fat man, you know, we make him lose weight, you know. And when me see him over there, the man a scream out the throat, me just see the titty them a jiggle. Me say, we have to go get all
I hear him on the media about him. If you hear him now, him a what? Him a sue for emotional damage. What? Emotional damage.
Me say,
You take the fun of woman there every day, drunk.
My lawyer tell me, said, don't waste my money. Me said, my lawyer just 3 clip. The lawyer said, do not waste your money on me. You go and represent yourself when he gets the paperwork to you. You have that paperwork have to hit your hand. When that paperwork hits your hand, you call me and you respond. But you're not going to waste your money on that shit. This is a waste of time. Then when the case closed, nigga, I'm going to counter sue your broke ass.
See any story you have to sell it to a Jamaican. You bound for sell off. Not care how unbelievable. You know Smaddy, we have take up $20 million for them money. Give Smaddy where they know for TikTok, for social media. Well, I guess it happens. But me want to meet the person so I can take them $20 million for real. This was nothing but a social experiment. To see the real type them turn into their real self. Go suck on no mama. You can't live to bring down my name. The only person me who in this life a couple bank of Canada and some credit card when I have. Me don't even like people, much less to mix up with people. If you put myself in a den, the type of mix up with people who are like, oh no. But then I'm gonna have a right to believe because people can't tell you these things. But it was just to show how gullible you are. Them people are sit down and plan up for you on a regular basis how to take on the money and can sell you a story and consume me every single time. No matter how much time they come with something. This ain't the fucking movies. Nobody life not so exciting. But me get to realize also that people like me, when normally stay upon the higher moral ground, who no look out for the least little things to tear them down. Because you no really get the opportunity there. You know much how me come on social media, can sit down on my platform and defend. Go and come much this people and this me because me can defend enough for you. Me see every man hold their own. Me see every man hold their own. Not even the benefit of the doubt. Luckily me never need it. Go suck on no mama. Me no take boy things. Me no borrow boy things. Me no do none of that. Anything me have in a link, me have a mind link and me no share them thing there. Because I'm grateful. Real. Somehow no boy man bound for ride, you know. And the comment section in the inbox. Wow, now go do. You know ever see $20 million one time, one place yet? But you know what I'm gonna do me things for people things? Man bound for ride, you know. No this a Malabria. You know nah go get that fi say about me. No time at all. Thanks for staying tuned. Thanks for watching. Your view is all that mattered.